Hi guys, how you doing? Happy New Year, because my year inaanzanga Feb as usual. Yeah, yes, unapologetically. So happy birthday to me. First of all, can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Woo! I'm so excited.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
To be honest, I am getting older. And the next time, I think nitaanza kuulizwa mtu wako wapi. Kidogo nianza kuulizwa utatuletea wajukuu lini. Anyways, enough yapping. So, as an honor, I have a wake up on. I want to get ready to go get my birthday pictures taken. As usual, I gotta do a photo session. It's not a gift from me to me. It's like a taboo. Gosh, it's like a ritual that I do. Do I call it a ritual or something that I do year after year? And I started it when I turned 20. Is it 20? Yes, when I turned 20, or rather, yeah, I think 20. I realized that sinanga pictures za kumark this occasion. So nikasema from that time to forever, I'll be doing photo shoots for my birthday, no matter my age. Hadi nikiwa 70, I'll be a buddy. Hapo kwa studio posing na ma heels na manini. So it's not about to stop, man. My mom told me the other day ati umekuwa mtu mzee ati now stop. Come on. I love pictures personally. I love everything documented. So I am getting ready. I want to do my makeup. I've showered. I am fresh. I want to do my makeup and slay this face out. Complete.
Acha niwaambie kitu moja. Leo ndio ile siku. Today is the day.
Kabisa, I want to slay it kabisa. So I want also to do some I'll post the videos for me getting ready on Instagram, on TikTok. So follow me at Simply Emma Official on both Instagram and TikTok. And also there's something else that I wanted to do. I want to do some transitions as well to mark the day. Come on, I have to do everything. And what else? And that's it. Mimi, by the law of shoot, yala ni very simple. But the outfit, I can't wait to show you guys. I can't. And plug you, man. I can't. The outfit will eat. Woo. So let me get ready. Then I'll be back. I don't want. Sina kitu ingine. The weather is also quite gloomy. And that is why I nearly ought kuenda kwa studio instead ya outdoors. Yeah. So let me get ready. I did my nails. I'll show you in the next clip. So yeah. First of all, I had to get my nails done, and niko in my natural nails era. Like, I don't want to do anything on my nails right now. So this is what I did. I got some few stick-ons and applied gel juu yake, alafu nikazitumia kama press on nails, and they came out so beautiful. Ebu angalia the transformation. And man, ever since I did my graduation party, purple has been doing its most. Because tell me why my theme ya graduation ilikuwa purple, which was not planned for actually. Alafu hii pia ni purple. Pia hii sikuwa nimeplan. Ile nywele nilikuwa nayo ilikuwa ginger copper, inakaa kama purple in a way. Nails purple, the dress purple, all other fabrics were out of stock. I had to get purple. There must be a hidden meaning behind all this. So I made my way to the studio. Iko hapa tu Georgia home, and you know what? Hii studio nilikuwa nimereferiwa to by a friend. I've been having a really hard time to find a photographer who can do pictures the way I want. I'm such a huge perfectionist, and there's a certain way that I want my things done. Na nakuanga pissed off if someone haezi achieve. But this one, the moment I saw kazi yake na his rate card, immediately booked him. He's so affordable, so nice. He makes you feel comfortable, and I could direct for poses in case you don't know what to do. And man, I just got quality for my money, hata kama sikulipa pesa mingi. Big up Mike. I will put his contact in the description box, so go check it out and book with him today. We took reels, we took a lot of videos, we took pictures, and everything turned out so beautifully. Even before editing and everything, the setup was cute, everything just as I had requested. Alikuwa kila time alikuwa anashinda kuniuliza, hebu nione inspo yako tena, ndio I make sure I deliver what I asked for. And you guys, the pictures are amazing. If you want to see everything, find me on Instagram at Simply Emma Official, or on TikTok at Simply Emma Official as well. You can find the photographer's page at Experience Studio, Experience with an X hapo mwanzo. And for the dress, wow, it ate. It was the star of the show. It hugged me everywhere that I wanted it to. At the same time, it was modest. It's a custom-made outfit, so it can be made according to your measurements. So it will fit you like a glove. I did not go to get any measurements done. I used a tape measure to take all my measurements. Then I sent them over via Instagram, and everything came out so good. Zero fittings. It took days for the dress to come in, and it was very, very affordable. I know you expect na hizo vitu zote ikuwe bei kali, but trust me, I didn't even use 2,000.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling amazing. You guys should come. Nangoja tawekea hapa namba yake, kila kitu, location. The first outfit was from Curated Trends on Instagram. You can choose from her designs, or you can give her a design that you desire. She makes clothes for bodies. For the second dress, I guess you guys have seen it again. It was from a friend, a sort of a gift I was given during my prom night. I did my own makeup, my own styling, everything else. But Mike offers those services, the makeup, na manguo, na any other accessory that you need, kama that gold bangle ni yake, at a very affordable price. After the photo shoot, you pick out your pictures. Hey, my friends, I had a hard time because every picture was pretty. I wanted all of them, even without editing. They were so good. Wow. Anyways, we have come to the end of our video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you can be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and I love you so much. I love you. Wish me a happy birthday down below, and I will see you on the next vlog kama kawaida. Hopefully itakuwa ya birthday. I have a lineup of unedited videos that I promise you will be here in no time. Just pardon me and bear with me. Again, remember to find me on Instagram for more details, more videos. Next time, same place kama kawaida. Bye.